Just up in Beachmere on the north side of Brisbane, we've got this colonial style house. It's just been completed. It's on a beachfront property on an elevated floor system. It's a custom design to suit the client's requirements. Got the master bedroom in the front here. It's an ensuite. It's a walk-in robe. Media room. A large open plan living area that looks out onto the Moreton Bay. It's Moreton Island across there. It's Brisbane down that way. It's the kitchen area here. So there's a butler's pantry here. Bathroom in here. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. And downstairs to the double garage.